Looking for a spacious motorhome to travel for? Come take a look. A traveling area that converts into a comfortable living room. A table that adapts to your needs. Prepare and enjoy your favorite meals in this spacious kitchen with a 3-gas burner, hot running water, and a lot of storages. And take a look at this spacious fridge with an included freezer. Need extra space for the luggage? We got you covered. Let's check out the master bedroom. In the rear of the motorhome, you'll find 2 spacious beds that convert into a double bed. And a second electric bed located here. A separate master bedroom with a shower and a toilet that creates a lot of privacy. All the side windows in your motorhome are equipped with mosquito nets and blackout for the night. Come along for the drive in this modern motorhome. Fuel efficient, easy to drive. What else can I ask for? I'm gonna take it.